In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this alien rock scene in less than 6 minutes. Let's use the rock generator. If you don't see that, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Let's select an asteroid from presets. Let's add a new material. Please feel free to use any colors. Let's use the subsurface nodes. Please experiment with all subsurface categories, and see how the color changes. I'll lower the roughness. Let's add a point light. The idea is to arrange more than 3 point lights with different colors, so the rock would reflect the colors. Here is a purple and green setup. Shift D to duplicate the point light, and G and Y to move it on the Y axis like this. This is how the rock looks like. Time to create a ground plane. Let's set up the render scene. For the ground, I'll add the noise texture node to the displacement node like this. I'll turn the specular off, so the lights don't bound off the ground too much. Let's turn off Use Nodes under Compositing. I'll also use 32 samples to render. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.